Welcome to Wonder Park.
Today is a beautiful day.
Let's talk about feelings. This is Leo.
And this is Mia.
They are at the park. Wow! Ooh, look at this place. I am happy.
I am so happy. You are happy? That is good. I am happy too.
Repeat after me.
I am happy.
I am happy. I am happy. Leo.
You are funny. Be careful.
Oops. I am okay. I am just excited.
Oh, look at the rides. So many games. Oh. I am excited. Oh. Are you excited, Leo? Oh.
I'm super excited.
Repeat after me. I am excited. I am excited. I am excited.
Where do we go? Let's look at the map. This map is hard. I am confused. Left or right? Help me.
Silly Leo, the map was upside down. Do not be confused. Let's go here. Ah, the roller coaster.
The roller coaster?
Oh,
It is very high.
come on. Are you scared? Do not be scared.
Me? Scared? No! I am not scared. I am brave.
They are walking to the roller coaster. Walking is good. Huh? Hurry up, Leo. We are almost there. It is so big and so fast. I am feeling
Nervous. I am nervous. Repeat after me. I am nervous.
I am nervous.
I am nervous.
It is okay, Leo. It is fun. Are you ready?
Whoops. Oh,
No!
sorry, I am clumsy today.
It is our turn. Let's go.
Let's go. Click. I am
Safe!
but I am still scared.
We are going up. Look at the view. Oh, no.
I am not scared. I am brave.
I am brave. Wow. Oh, that was fast. That was fun.
Fun? Oh no! My head is spinning. I am dizzy.
Repeat after me.
I am dizzy.
I am dizzy. Sit down, Leo. Take a break. Whew. I need to sit.
The world is spinning. Leo is okay now. But listen. What is that sound? Oh. My stomach is talking.
I want food.
I am hungry. Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Repeat after me. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry.
I'm a little hungry, but I'm very thirsty. I need water. Repeat after me. I am thirsty. I am thirsty.
I am thirsty. Let's get ice cream. Ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream is good.
Ah.
Okay. Ice cream for you and water for me.
One big chocolate ice cream, please. I love chocolate. Wow! Wow! Look at that! Yummy! Woo-hoo! I am so happy again. I am not hungry anymore.
Let's sit over there by the fountain.
Here I go. The first bite is the best. Yum!
They found a nice place to sit. This is a nice spot. It is cool here.
Cool. Oh, hello, birdie. Oh. Oh no! My ice cream! My chocolate ice cream! I am sad! I am sad! I am so sad!
Repeat after me. I am sad. I am sad.
Do not be sad, Leo. Look, I have a cookie. We can share. Sharing is good.
Really? For me? Thank you, Mia. I am happy again. I am happy again.
Let's play a game before we go home.
Watch this. I am good at this game. Go, Ring, go! Oh!
Oh, so close. My turn. Watch carefully. Yes, I did it. Here, Leo. A present for you.
Thank you, Mia. You are very kind.
They are playing. They are having fun. Time goes fast.
The sun is going down. It is late.
What a day. We did so many things.
Yawn. Excuse me.
I am yawning too. I am tired.
Repeat after me. I am tired. I am tired.
Look, the lights are on. It is beautiful.
My legs are tired. Walking is hard now.
Just a little more. The exit is near.
I see the exit. We are almost home. Goodbye, Wonder Park. It was a good day.
Yes, it was a very good day. are leaving the park. The day is over.
Waiting for the bus.
I am awake.
I am.
Not sleeping.
The bus is coming soon, Leo. It is here.
Let's go home.
Let's go home.
I like the bus. It is soft.
Are you okay, Leo?
Yeah. I am happy. And
Tired. Shh. Leo is sleeping.
we are home.
Good night, Leo.
Good night, Mia.
Good night, Leo.